Dow Jones and Nasdaq after a good drop till 32,200 and 12,720, and see these levels we had discussed in our weekly analysis and today's analysis as well, have traded bullish, and see what we had achieved. We had achieved now it is 32,485 and the highs at 12,860. So now what to expect? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. In this analysis, remember pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the twice a day updates and analysis. The first video I had released with the Asia session, those who had watched must have profited. Now, yes, let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels, trade as per the levels here. And if you look at the hourly charts, now see, first thing is rise, drop, higher lows, retracement, and now trying to drop. But look at the retracement. Where is this retracement happening? Remember, first of all, till the time 12,780 is respected, do not consider Nasdaq 100 as bearish. Below that, further drop will take it on the downside, and then my favorite 12,760, 12,740, 12,700 levels will come to the rescue there, because what it is trying to show, lower highs. Now at the same time, now 12,840 levels, once it breaks beyond 12,840, stay long, and this time it is going to fly higher. Very simple. We can see similar size of candle where we had achieved almost 50 to 100 points, and if it stays above this zone at 12,840, we can again expect 12,860, 880 levels, and then beyond that 12,900 is something which is going to be a very good resistance there. Beyond 12,890, below 12,900, certainly the target is 13,000 this time. Stochastic looking up, MACD is trying to cross over for a buy entry again. The RSI is also trying to trade with slight bullishness, and if you look at 2 hour chart, now look at 2 hour chart. See, these two candles have completely eliminated this drop and it is recovered. Higher highs are also seen. Hence, there is still bullishness. There is a probability that it can try to fly past 12,840, beyond which certainly 12,860, 880 and 12,900. These till 12,900 you have to put a 20-point trailing stop loss. Beyond 12,900, 13,000 is the target. Stochastic looking up. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. And if you look at the stock RSI is almost trading flat here on the 2 hour charts. Now look at the 3 hour chart. Now look at the 3 hour chart. See this candle and this candle. There was bullishness, but it got diminished. And see, very small body size here. Hence, it makes, in fact, you can sell here at 12,800 itself. Below that, 12,780, 760 levels will come into the rescue, and beyond that, it is going to trade bearish. What it has done is rise, retracement rise. Possibly it can drop if it stays below 12,760, 740. Certainly, more bearishness is confirmed there. Right now, it is trying to hold up. The stochastic is looking up, trying to trade bullish here. The MACD is not indicative of anything. The RSI is almost trading flat, and if you look at the 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts to see, the previous candle has created a base, but see, there is a long tail here. Long tail means the prices are trying to hold up. These are trying to push the prices up, and that is why we can see slight bullishness right now. And yes, above 840 you can certainly stay long and expect it to rise. But still, if you are taking a buy entry at 12,840, you have to ensure that you are trading with a trailing stop loss of 20 points till 12,900. Beyond 12,900, if not today, for tomorrow, if not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 13,000 levels is a must. Beyond 12,900, this time we are going to look at 13,000 levels. That is my expectation, though I am not the one who runs market, but I think it is going to hit 13,000 levels, which is a must if it stays above 12,900. On the downside, you can sell at 12,800 itself, but then 780, 760, 740. Be careful till 12,700 levels. You have to put a 20-point trailing stop loss. Below 12,700, we are going to look at 12,660, 12,600. Very, very stronger support exists there. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Now, we have also to see the daily charts, and if you look at the daily, see, first of all, lower highs, higher lows were seen. The opening was in green, and now it has dropped a bit and trying to recover. Hence, certainly 12,840, 860 levels will bring more bullishness, and it is going to fly high on the upside. So that is something. At the same time, dropping on the downside might bring a slight bearishness. You have to be watchful of that. See, the stochastic is almost flat. The MACD is still divergent and bullish. It is looking up. And if you look at the RSI, this is almost trading flat here. So take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. If you see, and yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart, the rally here, consolidation, side retracement, and now that rally, higher highs are done. It has in fact gone close to 32, 480, 485 levels. Now see, after 4 green candles, there is a slight retracement which is seen. Probably once it stays below 32,400, then there could be slight bearishness, but you have to wait for it to break past 32,300 levels in order to confirm a reversal. Hence, you can take a sell at 32,400, but then wait for it to break past 32. Rather, I will say 32,400. If you are selling, you have to ensure 32,300 and below levels, which is going to be a good support. Stock I stick back to overbought levels. The MACD is in green. The RSI is almost trading at the top. And if you look at the 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, a red candle, a green candle, a recovery, and it is back into the zone and it is trying to trade bullish. Certainly 32,500, 32,400 is the zone you should try to avoid. The stochastic looking up, MACD trading with divergence, trading bullish. RSI is also trying to show you little bullishness there. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, most importantly, the previous candle was a very smaller candle there. We have to be watchful of that. Yes, it has shown a very good recovery. Hence, you have to wait for it to break past 32,500 in order to confirm 32,600, 32,800 levels. The stochastic looking up, trying to show bullishness. The MACD is divergent and bullish looking up. RSI is almost flat. And if you look at 4 hour charts, now see on the 4 hour chart, the previous candle had a very long tail, and see it is trying to trade bullish here. 32,500, 32,550, 600 levels are very good resistance. Remember, only and only if it stays above 32,600, 640 levels, we can see a very strong bullish momentum, and hence you have to be watchful till there. Stochastic on the 4 hour charts is extremely overbought, and hence which also means that if it trades below 32,400, just say short, and then below that 32,360 levels you should watch, and if it breaks below 32,360, it is going to trade bearish. The MACD is divergent and bullish looking up. The RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, it has created a tail. It is trying to pull the prices up. It has broken this consolidation zone, now trying to look upwards. 32,500 and 600, these two levels it has to break in order to confirm the bullish reversal. The stochastic looking up, MACD is divergent and bullish. It is still looking upwards, and I told you this crossover has happened at a bottom. It may try to take it further up. RSI is trying to look up and show a little strength. Now considering this, be careful on the downside for till 32,200, 32,000 levels. I will not consider Dow Jones as bearish. However, below that it is going to break strongly on the downside. Now for the day it is trying to recover a bit. I will be watchful of 32,500. Once it breaks past 32,500, put at 50-point stop loss, trailing stop loss till 32,600, and if it breaks beyond 32,600, we are going to look at 32,800, and this time it is going to hit 33,000 levels also. So take your trades on the upside accordingly. On the downside, staying short below 32,400 and 360 will bring further bearishness for 300, 200 levels, and if it breaks below 200, it is going to give you further bearishness, which is going to take it till towards 32,000 and below levels. Possibly we may see bullishness. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Trade as per the levels. Join my mentorship batch and Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.